Hey, this is our video, and this is my brother, Chris. And we're going to be unboxing some of Mr. Bug. And let's unbox it. Oh my. Get that way. You get down. You get down too. You get up here. So, you get down. I kind of like that. So, what do you hate? These wings. You gotta be kidding me. With these wings. Nope. I'll use these wings. Not yet. How does it even stick together? I'm gonna go look at the construction. It's hard. I'm gonna looking at the constructions. Look at here. It's not like normal Play-Doh. We need like some help.
Alright.
Sorry guys, we couldn't open the Play-Doh, and this is my brother, Chris, and we're doing some Mr. Bug. And let's do some Mr. Bug and make some. Oh yeah, you gotta be. This is a strong grabber. Chewing older? You gotta be kidding me. Why don't you just use this? I'm totally older than that. Get our mother to help. Mom, can you help us? We're not opening the yellow. If you didn't know that. Merci. Merci. Do not patty sack. You're safe. Some people will. Are these wings?
Upper wings and lower wings.
Here's Mr. Bug. Mr. Bug. There's Mr. Bug. Here's Mr. Bug. He can move his legs. He can do anything. It's Mr. Bug.
So it comes with 2 things of Play-Doh. Can you make a different color one too if you wanted to?
Yep. These move too. Oh, wow. We spilled another.
So, is it a fun kit?
Yeah.
You give it thumbs up.
I give it a thumbs up. Can I try making one?
Let Chris try to make
Chris,
one.
you try to make one.
And then tell us if you give us a thumbs up.
Oh, well, I know what to make. I'm making mine. Yes, I get some of his Play-Doh. Hey, I think you copied that. Did you? Well, you don't put that on its boutique. Yuck. Putting it on its boutique.
Make him fly. Are you sure his antennas go on his backside?
No, on his bum. I'm just making it up.
Ah, that's awesome. All right. Do you give it a thumbs up, Chris? Okay. Now let's close the video.
Bye-bye.
No.
Bye-bye.
Get into the video and say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a good time.